Hi, I'm Christy, and welcome back to All About Food. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make porksilog with veloute sauce or fried pork chop, sinangag at itlog with veloute sauce. We need 500 grams of pork chop, knife, chopping board, and meat mallet, mortar and pestle, 1 teaspoon of thyme, dash of white pepper, dash of Spanish paprika, 1/8 teaspoon rosemary, calamansi, rock salt, 4 cloves of garlic, kitchen paper towel, cling wrap. Please make sure your meat is dry and clean. You may dab it with clean kitchen paper towel. Please do not wash your meat before cooking. You are only contaminating your kitchen sink while doing this. Please note that bacteria will still be there even if you wash your meat. Cut the skin part of the meat to make the meat flat while cooking. Pound the meat with meat mallet. Use the flat surface part of the meat mallet. Please see the difference between these two slices of meat. Pounded sliced meat is bigger. I will pound the rest of the meat slices. After that, I will wash my hands. Pound the following to make it like a paste: salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, thyme, and rosemary. Rub the calamansi juice to both surfaces of your slices of meat. Rub the half of the herb paste to both surfaces of your slices of meat. set it aside. After that, I will wash my hands. We need a bowl and a measuring cup. Mix 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of flour, and half of the herb paste. Coat both sides of the slices of meat. Preheat a non-stick pan. Pour the cooking oil. Pan-fry the slices of meat, cook it 20 to 25 minutes, low-medium heat, or if you have a meat thermometer, until it reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Turning the slices of meat every 5 minutes until golden brown. Drain it with a paper towel or a cooling tray. Put your meat in a pan away from you to avoid skin burns. For fried rice, we need 4 to 6 cups of cooked rice, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. If you're using non-stick pan, salt and pepper to taste, optional. Sauté the garlic until golden brown. Add the cooked rice, cook it for 10 to 20 minutes, high or medium heat. For veloute sauce, we need 1 cup of white stock, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, salt and pepper to taste, optional. Preheat a non-stick pan, add butter and flour, make a roux. Add the stock, salt and pepper to taste, optional. Turn off the heat when you see a thin coating of sauce in your wooden spoon. To check the freshness of egg, fresh eggs have rough shell. For sunny side up egg, we need 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil if you're using non-stick pan. Preheat a non-stick pan and put the cooking oil. Crack your egg using dining utensils. For a perfect texture of egg whites, use a small kitchen strainer. Fry one side of the egg. Add salt and pepper to taste. Our finished product, Porksilog with veloute sauce. Please comment down below what is your favorite pork dish. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.